Hi everyone, Tifa here. Today we are hiking to Fagradalsfjall. And did I say it right? Probably not. But today I'm trying to answer the questions that I had before we left. We started off with an okay day, but by the time we got to the volcano, we had blowing sideways rain. But we did have to park. So we parked right off of 427, right on the P. That path will take you to A, B, or C. We did path C. Excited to hike the volcano. I know it's such beautiful. This is the lot C parking. Lot C parking. You have to pay. Come on. Pay. And then we hike. You know, why not? We're here. It's our last day. We're gonna go for it. Don't know what we'll see. We'll see anything. So we had talked to some people coming back from path A and B, and because of the weather they could not see the crater, so we decided to do path C, which they said can take up to an hour and a half in sideways blowing rain at this point. Now at this point I was kind of worried because as you can see I was limping. I had a bad ankle. I don't anymore. Got a total ankle replacement. But I was worried about the path, but the path did stay pretty flat almost the entire time. Look, there's... Wow. Yeah. Yeah. This is the Nakki or Nakki trail. Path C. It's like an hour hike across. That brings you here. It's not bad. It's a bad day for us. We weren't going to see the crater either way. Right back. Huh? Yeah. I see why people break ankles out here. This guy just came by jogging like it was his morning routine.
It probably is.
Oh, this right here. Pictures. Oh, look at this. Want to do your picture in front of it? When else are you going to do this? So you see if I can hear it, like moving. I just hear rain dripping. It's crazy. It's a llama. thinking the lava god's angry. So we're supposed to stay upwind from the gas.
What?
It says we were supposed to stay upwind from the gas. It goes up right there. It goes up this way. Nope. It's fun. Not terrible. Not a terrible hike. Nah, path C. Path C. Not a terrible hike. Here are a few suggestions. Definitely hiking shoes, wind pants, wind jacket, be prepared for rain. The wind is the biggest thing. Bring your own water bottle and definitely a pack of tissues. They did have portable potties at the beginning of the trail, but none of them had toilet paper. This is the very end of it. All the different colors in it. The rocks it's pushed along the way. Okay, so we finished the volcano tour. Bring a change of clothes. We are soaking wet. Be prepared for rain, wind pants, hiking shoes. My hiking shoes are still soaking wet. We're pretty soaked because of the wind blowing. But definitely bring a change of clothes. Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am working on my first 100 subscribers. Don't forget, do more of what makes you happy.